各位家長同學好，我準備急口令啦，講晒中一前我哋所有學過嘅 tenses 喎，咁我哋盤點睇睇咯。好，其實我哋主要分成現在、過去同未來三種，現在式都分三種。OK， 我哋直接重溫咯。第一種係最簡單嘅 simple present， 見到咩字用咧？就係 every day、every Sunday， 就係 on Sundays。or now， 如果係身份上係一個事實，我哋當然用 simple present。我只會讀其中一個例句 ：I am a secondary school student now。第二種現在進行式都係小一、小二學嘅。OK， 我哋睇睇例子，就係 now、at present、at the moment、look、listen 呢啲 keywords。例子 listen the bird is singing。好，呢個就係小五六，特別留意咯。見到咩字用咧 ？Already、just yet、since、forever、never、before、recently or lately。最尾呢兩個係加上去㗎，就係叻啲嘅小五六或者中一就會考啦。原來最近我哋都係用 present perfect。Recently, I have been busy preparing for the piano competition。好，咁我哋進入到第二種最重要嘅過去式。過去式其實中一前學兩種啫，呢個 2.3 係中二先學嘅。好 ，simple past 小三學㗎 ，yesterday、2 days ago、last week、when I was small， 全部用 simple past。I saw Miss Chan yesterday at school。好，跟住呢個就係呈分試要考慮喎，過去進行式。When、while 最重要係分得到長短動作，或者 this whole morning 我哋都會用嘅。好，睇睇第一個例句 ：When I was studying, my brother dropped the glass of water。Study 係長動作，但係 drop 係一個 short action， 只能夠用 simple past。最後 future tense 就係小四學嘅 tomorrow later soon。如果係一個 plan 提早 plan 咗，我哋用 is am or going to。會好啲嘅，不過去到中一咧，其實已經撈勻用㗎啦。你可以全部淨係加 will。好，咁今日我哋講嘅係咁多，有興趣報我哋嘅班咯喎，拜拜。